We are spending our afternoon on a puffin sightseeing tour. That's gonna be pretty fun.
I'm so excited.
Yeah, so we're gonna go see a circus of puffins. It's gonna be a blast. We're at the grocery store, and we loved the one-time use grill so much, we decided to get another one. And while we were browsing for meat, we found some corn, and we also found rosafilte. Very unique, very Icelandic. I'm excited to try it. I've never had anything like this before, so I guess I've had things like it, but I've never had this. They're looking delicious right now. I assume this is cheese sauce. I cooked. May it not be said that I can't cook. Bon appetit. Final review. I thought it was pretty good. Only problem was texture, a little chewy, a little tough, pretty stringy. Honestly, I thought it was yummy. I liked it, and I'm glad to have tried it.
You know, it was a thing to try. I'm not sure I would try it or eat it regularly, but it was novel. It tasted kind of like a little bit tougher steak.
I think that's absolutely right.
We found another one.